pasta bake.
Okay, so we got the pasta here, right? Then we're gonna put some chicken on it. I don't know if I'm doing now. And then we're gonna grate some cheese on it, and it's gonna be so good. Mwah.
Do you cook at home?
No.
Sometimes.
Yeah, I can make a mugshot.
Yeah, I'm something like that. Bet you'll learn. Oh, Mrs. Cook on tomato puree. Great.
Yeah.
I ain't going all in.
Oh, all in.
All of it.
No.
Get mixed in.
Is that ketchup? No. I'm getting big.
Do you cook at home?
Yes.
Jake, do you cook at home?
With the air fryer, yes.
That doesn't count. Are you going to cook more?
Most of
Put sauce in it next time.
I don't want to.
That's alright.
I'm proud of it.
Are you proud of it?
Yeah.
Do you cook at home?
No.
Is this the first thing you've ever cooked?
Yeah.
Okay. Will you cook at home from now on?
I do.
Happy with it? Yeah.
That's really good.
It does actually. Are you happy with it?
Very.
Do you cook at home?
Quite a lot, yeah.
Oh, do you? Okay, that's why it's so good.
It looks good. It looks tasty. It is also
I support this message.